This video is a supplementary resource specific to the RCH ICU. When processing admission orders, always ensure a dosing weight is recorded. This is crucial for prescribing weight-based medications like propofol. You can find the dosing weight under menu, select clinical data. If no weight is entered, please check with the nursing staff. A warning will appear if you attempt to order weight-based medications without it. Please note, the weight shown on the patient's chart is the current weight, not the dosing weight. Dosing weight can be added to the reference region or the summary page. To add a widget, click the gear icon. Under the Summary tab, select the column you wish to customize. Click the search bar and type in weight. Select weight from the results, then click Save. Follow the same steps if you wish to add weight to the reference region. We will now admit this patient using the Transfer Admit function. In the patient's chart, click on Orders, then Review Active Orders in the Current tab. Then, click the Transfer Admit tab. In this example, I'm admitting the patient from the emergency department to the ICU. I am now reconciling lab, consult, and referral orders. It's important to remember that these orders default to continue, but medication orders default to stop. Home medications are listed on the left, and visit medications ordered in the emergency department appear on the right. I'm now selecting which ones to continue or stop. With order reconciliation complete, I'll proceed to the Add New tab to enter the admission and other ICU order sets. I entered CC into the search field, which retrieves all critical care order sets starting with that prefix. Click Show Suggested to view commonly used admission sets. I'm clicking the multi-select icon to add multiple order sets. During the admission process, other critical care order sets can be added. You may also add target order sets. Admission orders sets contain general critical care target orders. For advanced targets, use the corresponding order sets. Once your order sets are added, click the Process tab. A warning will appear if the dosing weight hasn't been entered. In this section, I'm completing all required fields, which are marked with a red asterisk. I'm also carefully reviewing each order, including the level of care and most designation. Adjust the target orders as needed. Further details on ICU target orders will be covered in a separate video. When using the admission order set, lab work is scheduled for a stat collection, followed by an urgent collection for the next 7 days. Additional information on blood work ordering is covered in a separate video. As I add these extra blood tests, please note that some orders within the admission set are pre-selected for you, and some will require manual selection. In the IV fluid module, take note of the undiluted, neat, and custom rate options for sodium bicarbonate. In the electrolyte management order set, I'm adjusting the levels as needed. When your admission set selections are complete, click Preview to review your changes. Scroll to the bottom and take note of the new orders, to be continued, or stopped orders. After you submit, you will be prompted to select the first dose for medication orders. Finally, click Save. This yellow flag indicates a transfer exists on this patient. Inform the nursing staff of any orders requiring immediate attention while the patient remains in the emergency department. Transfer orders must be initiated by either the ordering physician or nursing staff. Click the Process Transfer box to initiate them. Always communicate with the nurse to ensure they are aware that transfer orders have been submitted or activated.